let's do this the algorithm way first. Okay, I start in the 1 spot. Can I take 9 away from 7, boys and girls? So I have to go to my
Neighbor.
and ask him for a,
Group of 10.
and he says,
Sure.
so he doesn't have 4 groups of 10s anymore. He has
3.
3, and that group of 10s I just borrowed goes where?
7.
So now I have
17.
17 minus 9, boys and girls. So some of us I'm seeing that we're going 17, 16, 15, 14. That's tough to count back like that, especially 9 times. Boys and girls, start at 9, count up to 17. How much does it take to get from 9 to 10? 1. What does it take to get from 10 to 17?
7.
What's 7 plus 1?
8.
8. So 17 minus 9 is
8.
8. Okay, boys and girls, I look at my 10s here. Can I take 20 away from 30? What is it?
Yeah.
30 minus 20 is
10.
10. Excellent. Okay. We have our number line way. Boys and girls, smallest goes on the, let's do their number line vertical. Same thing, right? I'm going to start at 29 and I need to go up to what? 47. Boys and girls, what can I add on to 29 to get it to that next group of 10s? Kato?
1.
I'm going to add 1 on. Where am I at now? 30. How can I get from 30 to 40? Matea?
Plus 10.
Plus 10. And what do I need to add to get from, well, there, I'm at 40 now. From 40 to 47. Everyone?
7.
7. Now I add these together. 10 plus 7 is
17.
plus 1 more.
18.
Okay. Same answers, guys? Okay.
What about decomposing?
Then there's decomposing. I could take 40 and minus 20 is
10. 20. 20. Oh.
20. And then I have 7 minus 9. Can I do that?
No.
So I have to take a group of 10 away. So that turns into 10. And I put my 10 in front of the 17. What's 17 minus 9, boys and girls?
3. 8.
8. 10 plus 8 is
18.
18. Okay. All right, boys and girls. So here's what I would like you to do. I want your boards in front of you because I'm going to go through a couple problems. And what I want you to know, we're going to now move from a 2-digit problem, use everything that you know about 2-digit problems, but now we're going to go to a 3-digit. So now we're going to have 1s, 10s, and 100s that we're going to be subtracting. Boys and girls, the algorithm is the same way. The number line, you use it the same way. Decomposing, you use it the same way. We just have one more place value on it, just like we did with addition. Are we ready? Okay. Best attention, please. I'll do the first couple together, and then we'll do some, and then you guys will get to try some. This is my turn. Okay. Boys and girls, I have 428 minus 246. Okay? To start out, I'm going to do the number line first. So, I have my number line. Boys and girls, what could I put down here? What do I need to put down here?
246.
Exactly, the smaller number, 246, and I'm going to count up to
428.
428. All subtraction is figuring out how much is in between the two of those, what the difference is between the two of them. Boys and girls, what could I add on to 46 to get it to the next group of 10s? Aspen?
4.
I'm going to add 4. So what does that put my number at? 250. Boys and girls, what could I add on to 250 to get it to the next group of hundreds? Zafira?
50.
50. Very good. So what's that at now, Zafira?
300.
300. How could I get from 300 to 400? Jenna? Add a group of 100. And how do I get from 100, sorry, I'm at 400 there. How do I get from 400 to 428? That's Julian.
And then 6.
From 400 to 428.
20.
Okay, I can add 20 more. What does that get me to?
420.
Now, where do I need to go from there? How many more do I need to add? Micaiah? 428. I'm at 420. I need to get to 428. How many more do I need to add?
8 more.
I need to add 8 more. Okay, boys and girls, all I have to do is add these together now, right? I'm going to go through and I'm going to add my big ones. Let's see. 100 plus 50 is what?
150.
150. Boys and girls, let's see. 20 plus 8 is what?
28.
Okay. What's 150 plus 28?
178.
178, and then I have 4 more over here. 178 plus 4 more equals
182.
182. Very good. Okay? Boys and girls, let's do the algorithm way. Are we ready? Okay. Noises are going to stop. My ones. Can I take 6 away from 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. 8's bigger, isn't it? What's 8 minus 6? 2. Boys and girls, can I take 40 away from 20 now? No, so I have to go to my
Neighbor.
and I have to ask him to borrow a group of hundreds, because it's in the hundreds now. And he says, sure. So I don't have 400 anymore. I have
300.
that those 10 groups of 10s I put in the 10 spot. So now it's not 20, it's 120. What's 120 minus 40?
180.
80. Very good. And 300 minus 200 is?
100.
Did we get the same answer?
Yep.
Okay. There is decomposing way. If you want to learn how to do the decomposing way, you can come talk to me later. But for right now, I think it's easier to stick with one of these 2 ways. Okay? All right. Boys and girls, let's do another one together. And then I'm going to have you do one. Let's see. Let's do 725 minus, we're going to take away, and what is the sign? It's the what sign? What's the big word for minusing? Subtracting. We are subtracting 268. Okay? Boys and girls, let's do the algorithm way. Can I take 8 away from 5, Justice?
No.
So what do we have to do?
You gotta go over and borrow from the 2.
Okay, so it's not 2. How much is it?
It's 1.
Nope. What does that 2 stand for?
That 2 stands for 200.
We're in a 10 spot.
20.
20. So if I borrow a group of 10s away, I only have 10 left. And I put that group of 10 right in front of my 5. That 10 plus 5 actually turns into 15. 15 minus 8 is what? Gosh, that's really tough for me to figure out if I go 15, 14, 13. Let's start at 8 and count up to 15. How much does it take to get from 8 to 10?
2.
How much does it take to get from 10 to 15?
5.
What's 5 plus 2?
7.
15 minus 8 is?
7.
Awesome. Boys and girls, let's look at our 10 spot. Can I take 60 away from 10? What to do?
Go to your next.
Can I borrow a group of hundreds? And he says,
Sure.
so he doesn't have 700 anymore. He has
600.
that group of hundreds I just borrowed goes in front of my group of tens. So now I don't have 10, I have 110. Boys and girls, what's 110 minus 60? Put it. 50. Very good. Okay. Now I look at here. Can I take, what's 600 minus 200?
400.
Let's do this one on the number line way, and then on the next problem you're going to try. You ready? Actually, we'll do it vertical.
Yeah.
Okay. Start with 268, and I need to find out how many spots are in between 268 and 725. What can I add on to 268 to get it to the next group of tens? I need more people participating. Jordan, what can I add on to it?
You need 2.
I'm going to add 2 more. So what am I at right now?
270.
70. How do I get from 270 to the next group of hundreds? Isma? 270. Now I want to get it to the next group of hundreds, like even hundreds numbers. Jenna, 30. I'm going to add 30 onto it. So 30 plus 270 equals what?
300.
300. Now I'm at 300. How can I get to 700? What can I add on Eli to get from 300 to 700? How many groups of hundreds from 300 to 700? 400. Awesome. So now I'm at 700, and what could I add to get from 700 to 725? 700 to 725. I could add 25 on. I'm there, right? Now I have to add these together. Let's see. What's 25 plus 30?
45.
Nope.
55.
55 plus 30 equals
55.
55. What's 55 plus 2 more?
57.
57. And what's 57 plus 400?
457.
Did we get the same answers?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, boys and girls, pick up your board.
Ready to get work done.
Does it matter if you do decomposing or the algorithm?
Algorithm.
I'm sorry, algorithm or the number line? Thank you.
Algorithm.
Okay, go ahead and do this one together.